Cherry, cherry, oh baby. You want the rose in me, God, pretty little flower. Oh, you're an angel, very good. But, girl, you make my day. You did bad with me, boy, you know. Yes.
Tell me where you will get it from.
Well, that can't be true, but listen to me. Them days are more serious. All me used to have to worry about was a fat up woman. But now, you have all kind of things. You have VD, DVD, STD, CD, HIV, AIDS. Man can't even enjoy a little wife again. You have to button up like you expect hurricane. Boots for finger, boots for toe, tongue.
Hey, me know you know that. Me a eye jockey. Strictly be about skin to skin.
Yeah, me say you should take protection. Nyam pearl.
What's up? You're good. So, what do you feel when you do it?
My girl, it's a feeling that you feel that you never felt before. The sweet. The last some time when you do it, you just want sweet and sweet and don't need my girl. It's sweet.
Then I saw it nice.
Not nice, sweet.
You never did get no, so. That is my husband, you sit down.
Come let's try to do it before it. Come here to me. You don't win inside here. Stand up right there, so. And see the salvation anytime whatever in the come out, not pieces. So let's... Why you never tell me that you got your girlfriend inside here?
Yes, I'm
Suppose you didn't make me chop up the people and just Pickney. Yeah. Hey, look here. I'm very sorry, my love. I'm very sorry, but hear me. If you have one little kill it, right? You hear me saying to you, darling? She can't hear? But I am saying to you, my love. If you have one little kill it, boy, about the place and judge up. I think it's you're not boy judge running inside here. Okay, so you're actually in the same class?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, well, friends like these you must keep. You hear me? I'm gonna look at dirty Junjo and I'll tear up trying fool and to say, you hear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you give her something to eat?
A long time.
All right. Okay. So what is her name? What's her name?
Ginger.
Wait. It's how you call my man so like it's our man. Back up. Put a pass on that. All foot. If your man come at me, he can't come back to you. You like to all mine out land. I'm your virgin territory.
happening inside here?
Nikisha pregnant.
Then I don't look like when I jam food. But what I do? If she has to go be pregnant, then I try to keep number pregnant to the pregnant. Only hell you mean if you realize. Look here. That is what happened anytime you have some old cross experience. When you grow up them Pickney without no proper bring up men. You understand? Look here. It's for that reason why my daughter here on a tight wrap. Nobody can breathe for me Pickney so easy. They would have to come in black and tack a crowbar, razor blade and all anything today. Before they can even get close. Somebody Nikisha, come tell me fast I'm going to hear about Nicky pregnant, Nicky. Hold on, let us finish. Who knows breathe?
Nikisha.
You mean for me Nikisha when me and you piss out?